Imagine waking up every day with purpose, every action aligning toward a life of success and fulfillment. The road ahead may seem uncertain, but the key to greatness lies within your grasp. It's time to take control. Today, you're going to embark on the journey of transformation. To achieve anything, you first need to know where you're headed. Setting clear, actionable goals is the first step in turning your dreams into reality. Break down your big ambitions into smaller, achievable targets. Step by step, you'll move closer to your ultimate vision. Success isn't an accident, it's built one habit at a time. Start with small, consistent actions that align with your goals. Whether it's exercising daily, reading, or learning something new, your habits will shape your future. Every journey will have its challenges, but remember, obstacles aren't roadblocks, they're stepping stones. Embrace each setback as an opportunity to learn, adapt, and grow stronger. Perseverance in the face of adversity leads to greatness. You don't have to do this alone. Surround yourself with people who uplift you, challenge you, and support your growth. Whether it's family, friends, or a mentor, the right people can elevate you to new heights. No dream is achieved without action. Every small effort you make today compounds over time. Take action even if it's just one small step, and the momentum will carry you forward. Your future is shaped by the actions you take today. Don't wait for the perfect moment, create it. Start your journey now, and let nothing stop you. The first step is all it takes.